Hello, everybody. Welcome to this live streaming. Amazing live streaming from two different parts of the world to the whole world
Yes.
united in this event. Jenny, hello, Jenny. How you doing today?
Hello, good morning, everyone. Hello, Philippines, and hello, world. And we're still, I don't know, Eduardo is half asleep and I'm half awake. So,
Yeah.
welcome to the different parts of the world coming together.
And that's the beauty of it, right? We have right now
Yes.
Philippines is in the morning, and we have here in this part of Latin America it's 7 p.m. in like Mexico, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, 7 p.m. So amazing. That's the beauty of it, right? We can have these global events all around the world with RoboJam. That's what we really try to do. Please, if you're watching us right now, leave a message over there in the chat. It's gonna appear here so we can read your messages.
Yes.
Remember to send any questions you may have, anything you want to do with that. Just let us know. Just let us know. And the idea is that we should be able to see your messages as well. Anyway, uh,
Yes. So why are we here? So we are very thankful first. Maybe
yes,
you're shocked, like why
right.
too early in the morning? We're trying to practice because next week is going to be RoboJam Philippines on the 4th through the 5th, and it's going to be early for the Filipinos because it's going to be late for some. So we're going to do the Colorynth placements or the task raffle for
Right.
one of our categories, and we are super duper mega over thankful for the 7 countries who decided to join us, and some of them are new, some of them are trying to join other competitions, but we are very lucky. We have 67 teams for the different
Wow.
categories, and for Colorynth,
And
yeah, that's a lot, but
just to
not a lot.
update
We can have
people,
some more. Don't worry. Don't be shy.
the thing is that we
Yes.
published
So
64, but the thing is that there were like a couple of teams that actually by mistake, there was when we did the kickoff,
registered
right?
on the kickoff.
Right, they registered in the wrong one. They sent the payment, everything, but they were in the wrong. I mean, they register on time, but in the wrong form. So that's why it comes up to 67.
Yes.
So that's okay. I mean, that's okay. That's still amazing that we have this turnout.
Yes.
We're super mega extremely happy for the turnout for this event. It's I have to say is one of the Robo Jams with a lot of teams, right? With the most teams, we have
Yes.
the ones in
The most
Colombia has
teams.
had the most, but then the second one so far is um, it's Philippines. That's very I'm very happy with that. I mean, I'm pretty sure you're happy with that, with
Yes, and
love,
we're
with the
on
love
the
from people.
Asian side.
Right, right. Right. Okay. I just realized some people is it's not looking
Yeah,
at
so
us
we
right
are
now.
coming from
Okay.
the Asian part of the world, and it's so nice seeing a lot of people uh, joining in from a different side.
Okay. This is what happened. I'm gonna take your screen away. I mean, we don't have you don't have to see this part. No, I'm just kidding. It's just that we are gonna go ahead and show the
Okay.
and we're gonna show the we're gonna show people the map for VEXCode VR, so they can see it, so they can see what we're doing right now. So give me 1 second. Apparently,
Mm-hmm.
there's a problem here. There we go. I think we're
Sure.
good. Okay. Whenever you want, you can show it to me. Okay. We're experiencing some lagging.
Hang
That
on,
happened.
some technical lag,
Yeah, yeah,
which
yeah.
happens.
That
Yeah,
happens. That happens. That happens. Okay. It
I
is.
know there's monsoons everywhere,
It is.
so the
It.
signal is flying
Right.
somewhere.
Right. The signal is a little off. A little off the signal right now. Okay. Okay. In the meantime, while I'll do this, I'm gonna do here a change. Okay. So you can.
And
So you
yeah,
can.
in the meantime, while he's doing it, we're again, we can remind them that Colorynth is going to be live streamed. It's for again to accommodate different time zones. We are going to start as early as 7 a.m. for the team meeting, and
Right.
then after an hour or 30 minutes, we're going to do we're going to start the broadcast. So coaches who are watching and players who are watching, the coaches will have to receive the links to all the Zoom meetings that we are going to have. If we have technical issues on Zoom, we are going to also use Google Meet for backup. So don't worry, you'll get the information right away. It's just that we just closed the registration, so therefore we are going to have some changes, and we don't want to send out the wrong information. We're going to give you the final instructions for the Colorint first, and
Right.
then for September 4 and 5, the first day would be September 4. We are going to start the meeting at 7, as early as 7, and formally start the logistics at 7:30 and start the game by 8. That is going to be on Philippine Standard Time. So therefore, those who are competing from different countries, please make sure that you check on the links we send you. I think it goes automatic when they click on the link, it changes to your time zone. So set the alarm. Day one is going to be Robo Sketch and Disc Drill. So those two are going to be done synchronously, but then it's not going to be live stream. We're going to have an opening for the RoboJam Philippines in the morning, but then we are going to have the Colorynth on the second day. Okay, so that is what is going to happen. So if
Okay.
you have questions, you can put them in into our chat, and Eduardo is hiding at the moment
I'm hiding for
because
you right now.
he
Yeah,
is.
the thing is, I'm trying to figure some things
Yeah,
out here. That sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But
yeah, it
anyway,
doesn't. It was, yeah, yeah,
that's
yeah.
the magic of live streaming, right? The magic of live streaming. Sometimes there are things that
Yes,
is out of
so
our
it's the
control.
live stream.
That's fine. That's fine. So meantime, I'm gonna share with
Okay.
Jenny so Jenny knows what I'm showing you guys. So she knows what I'm showing you guys. Otherwise, she's blind as
Yes, I
well.
see it on my phone though, because I don't see you on my end.
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay, so
Okay.
first, let me give a shout out. Well, again, he is waiting. A shout out to one team from Canada through MapleBots. We have Australia, two teams who are coming from. Where is it? Hold on, let me. I don't want to mess up uh,
That's okay.
their names in there. So I have right. I have Australia team from Tanawa, and they are the Aussie bot, and one is Aussie bot, and one is Aussie bot RoboRave Australia. Okay, so thank you also to our friends from RoboRave who are sending us. So we're sending them competitors, and they're sending us competitors. That's the beauty of being in an international organization. We also have 9 teams from Mexico, and shout out to Mr. Roberto Valerio of the Valerio Foundation. Thank you very much for the sponsorships. Some of those teams were sponsored by the Valerio Foundation. And of course, City is the coach from Malaysia. Thank you. They are sending us 4 teams. Although even the coach is sick, but they still managed to make a way on how to join us for that event. Also, we have one team from the U.S. My friends at at Albuquerque, New Mexico, is joining us, and we have one team from Colombia, um, and that is what is the name of
It's Team Cass.
the
Team
team?
Cass. Team Cass
Okay,
from Neiva, Huila,
yes, from
Colombia. So
Yeah,
Okay, Jenny.
Columbus American School, huh?
Columbus American School. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Right now, I'm showing what I'm showing everybody. You can see it, Jenny. And what we everybody's seeing right
Yes,
now
thank
is
you.
the map. Everybody's seeing the map of VEXCode. You
Mhm,
cannot see my face either. There's some technical issues there. So
mhm.
the robot, we're gonna choose randomly 2 points. That it can be a letter or a number, or 2 letters or 2 numbers. We don't know. It's gonna be random. Oh,
Yes.
now my camera finally decided to appear, at least in the transmission. Okay, that's
Okay.
good. Okay, okay. Here I am. Okay, now what are we going to do now? We're going to go ahead and we're gonna do the random drawing from those two points. So you can see we're in this page, right? It's called Choose Random. Amazing page for these type of
Right.
things. And you're gonna see that we're gonna pick 2 items from a list. So in the list, you're gonna see that we have the 4 numbers,
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, and the letters A, B, C, and D. We're gonna do it 3 times.
Yes.
And the one that we're gonna choose for RoboJam Philippines is gonna be the third one. Okay? So the first two are just tests, and we're gonna keep the third one, whatever it is, randomly. Okay? So
Okay.
hopefully we have a combination that has not appeared in any other RoboJam. But we don't know that, right?
Right.
It can happen, it can repeat.
Yes.
Okay, Jenny, are you ready?
Yes. I'm scared.
You're
I am
scared.
scared.
You're scared.
Because
Okay.
it might be hard, right? But let's just have fun doing it. And this is giving way for teams to prepare in advance, because it's hard to like do coloring in like super 4 minutes.
Okay.
So let's see what the combinations would look like.
Okay. Now, combinations. We're going to start now. So, first 2 items. I'm just going to put it here so we can see the items. First 2 items. Boom, 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 boom. One more, one more. Are you ready, Jenny?
Yes, I am.
Okay, there we go. 2 and 4. That's the
Two and
second
four.
one.
Oh, that's the far.
That's the
Yes.
second one.
Okay.
And now the final combination.
Finally.
The one that we're gonna use is gonna be C
Ooh,
and 3.
C and 3.
C and 3.
Whoa.
Okay, just to
C
remind.
and 3.
So
So,
that means let's look at the map. Let's look at the map. If we look at the map, that means the robot has to go first. Let's just put it here. It has to go first to it can be however you want it. I mean, you can do it first to letter C and then to 3, or first to 3 and then to C. It doesn't matter. You can program
all
with
right.
functions. You can program with variables. You can program block by block. You can program with prayers. Whatever you want to program with, you can do it. That's fine
Okay, I love the last one though.
with prayer. Yeah, because every time you try programming, you're like, oh my God, I hope it's
Oh my
okay,
God.
right? So
Yes,
it
of
doesn't
course.
matter what religion you practice, you're always praying that it's gonna be okay. Okay, this
Yes,
is
and
so
prayers always get granted.
there you go. So now 3 and C, those are the 2 spots. It's the first time. I mean, number 3, we have had it quite often in many different RoboJams,
Yes.
but it's the first time actually in Ecuador we had letter C and 4. So, and I think in Peru we got 3 and A and 3, something like that. Now we
See.
got C and
Mm-hmm.
3. Those are the
Mm-hmm.
two letters, 2 numbers that we're going to choose. So we
Okay.
hope,
Just to clarify, they
yes,
can go 3 first and then C, or
yes,
they can go for C first and then 3. Just to remind everyone, make
yes.
sure that the robot goes all the
What?
way inside the green box
Right.
or the blue dot.
The only thing the robot cannot do is touch another letter first. Let me explain it. I have an algorithm, so it goes
Correct.
all this way and it touches the A, the B, the 2, 3, and eventually the C. No, because if it touches the A, it's considered you're doing another challenge. You're doing something else. So at that
Yes.
moment, even
Yeah.
if eventually, even if it touches 3 and C eventually, since it's not touching it, that only the 2 that you're supposed to, it won't be valid. Okay? So
Yes.
some people will say, Eduardo, but before RoboJam first started, when it was only the green square, it didn't matter if it touched the one of the letters. Yes, that's true, but that's true only because we didn't include the letters back then. Now we do. So since we're including the letters, if you touch the letter A first, it's like you're doing that challenge, so it won't be valid. So be sure it counts the first
Yes.
two that you touch. So if you touch 3 and C or C and 3, that's good. Otherwise, it's not. It's very important that you do what you're supposed to do. As simple as that. So I'm gonna stop presenting here. Give me
Got it.
1 second.
Okay.
So we OMG, I think we're good.
All right. And then you can show
Please.
your face.
So I can show your face to my face to you. We're just gonna do some here. The activation. I have to do like 5 different filters before I do that. That's fine. Absolutely fine. That's okay. Now we're gonna see the meeting.
Oh my God.
I'm good.
You should
And
put filters on mine too.
okay. So and let me 1 second. The web. We're good. Okay. Jenny. Now we
Okay.
are here. We're good.
Yes.
Let me see if it's turning my camera on or not. Apparently, still not. Still doesn't like me. Okay.
It's not waiting.
Yeah, something is happening with it's not
I know.
recognizing me. The camera. That's fine. You can see my RoboJam logo right there. You know, is the funny thing is not recognizing
Yes.
either my webcam
Instead of
or the meet, but that's fine. That happens. Anyway, Jenny, I think that's it. That's everything for today. It was very short. We just wanted to show you.
yes.
Before we go, Jenny, very important. We want to thank very important and special people. So who are we gonna thank?
Yes. So we are thanking the sponsors we have. We have Zamba Glass and Aluminum for our sponsorship. We have them sponsor some of our teams as well. So when you hold on, let me pull this out real
Yeah, the
quick.
team is called Samba Construction. Samba Construction team. Yeah, I saw that. So we have them.
Yes. Yeah.
We also have J2RN Engineering Services. JR J2RN
Mm-hmm.
Engineering Services. Oh,
J2.
JR2N. JR2N, sorry.
JR2N.
JR2N Engineering
Uh-huh.
Services. See, it's okay. It's okay if I mess up. I'm just learning. You already know it. That's why you don't have that mistake. We're also saying our
Okay.
very special friend, Roberto. So, who is that?
So Roberto is our sponsor, who's been helping us, and he's been helping other organizations as well. But we are very thankful, and just to let you know that he is one of the key sponsor of our website, which is robojamph.com. So we have the Valerio Foundation, the Dream Maker.
And not only the Valerio Foundation is sponsoring RoboJam Philippines, is the first permanent strategic ally for RoboJam. That means the Valerio Foundation is committed to sponsors a certain amount of events during the year. Uh, that is something the Valerio Foundation, since this year when we started with the sponsorships, they say, you know what, we'll do it. We want to do it because we think it aligns with what we're trying to do, and that's why we are super thankful with Roberto and everything he's doing. So that's it, Roberto, Valerio,
Correct.
and what else? We're
Okay.
missing. We're missing
And of course, you're missing STEMified
a
robotics. That's
STEMI
my
five robotics
robotics
and
yeah, my learning center, and also RoboJam International.
And
Thank
I
you,
want to
Mr.
also give
Roboto.
a shout out to Vex Robotics because they did help us out in the kickoff. Andy, Mr. Andy Lee in Hong Kong with Vex Robotics. He's innovation first with the company Innovation First. He's also supporting us
Yes.
and helping us out. So thank you for that
Thank you.
kick during the kickoff, that help that you're helping
Yeah,
us
we
out.
got kicked.
We got kicked by him, yeah,
Yeah,
something like that. So that's
yes,
it.
got kicked and it bumps us up. Yes, that's it. Thank you, everyone who spent time with us. It's a good 30 minutes spent. And hopefully, if you have questions, you can either go to our website or you can go to our Facebook page. And our Facebook page is RoboJam Philippines. Also, RoboJam Live is another website that you can go to, and RoboJam International for their Facebook. So if you
That
want to get in touch with Eduardo,
So yes, go to you
yeah,
can go to
I don't know why, but
RoboJam Live in Facebook. You can go to RoboJam.live in our webpage. You can go to RoboJam PH to all the information related to the Philippines, and that's it. I think that's everything for today. Before we leave, we're gonna leave you with a special words from somebody from out of this world, our dear friend Optimus Prime.
yes,
Bye bye, everybody.
Optimus Prime.
Listen to this message and have a good day. Bye bye. Good day, good night. Bye bye.